Hi everyone, today let's create non-standard banners. When you open Resize, you can browse available formats for social media, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. You can also find saved sizes here. We also have a My tab. Let's open it and see how to save your preferred sizes. Click the star to add this format to My. By selecting the star, you can edit this list at any time. This is useful when you have a standard list of sizes. Let's create some non-standard sizes. Scroll down to custom size and enter your own dimensions. The limit is 10,000 by 10,000 pixels. You can also add custom sizes to the My tab. Let's create several sizes and resize the design to fit them. As you can see, when I enter the sizes, I can keep adding as many as I want. Select the sizes, then choose Classic or AI Smart Resize. It takes a moment to process because AI Smart Resize handles these variations much better. Here's what we got. If you don't have a standard size, you can always create your own custom sizes. Notice that custom sizes can be used for social media. Use them for desktop placements or any size in Viewst. Let's look at the result. Everything looks great. Thanks for watching.